industrial type noise or anything like that that could be expected in any building area, but not excessive. So the energy generation on demand is the other side of the coin for them, because they're going to be much quieter. They're running fuels that are cleaner and quiet when they burn them, or I guess it's not even really burning them, it's technically an electrochemical process. So it's really, really cool. You have to look into it. But it's not combusting. There's no combustion process. That's why it's not igniting natural gas. Then there's no pollutants from the hydrocarbons. It's just CO2 and water still, because it uses oxygen to essentially ignite the process. But that's what it's doing for the on-site energy, and it can do that on demand, basically, in terms of higher energy needs right away, and it can meet that energy spike and generation needs with these types of fuel cells that Bloom has developed. So they're fast to deploy them, they're fast to step up the energy needs as on-site the energy goes up for servers and compute needed, and then on top of that the fuels are going to be cleaner and quieter. So that's the winners for Bloom, and I'm still looking at EPS and everything like that. But if you see the growth on EPS for something that's like, hockey sticks, from 2 years ago they were basically negative and flat, and then right now they're turning into a 2 quarters in a row positive EPS, and it grew about 3x from was it Q1 2026 to Q2 2026. So the CEO is worth listening to. The energy needs are going to keep growing, and on-site power is going to become the main play. So Bloom Energy, $62 billion company right now. Sales are growing, EPS is growing, and they've been trading right now around 200, and I think that that's a pretty good price if you're getting in. This is a 3-year play roughly as the energy boom goes on, and as long as quarter results are showing that the sales are continuing to grow, I think they're already sold out. They've been inking new deals, about $7 billion in new deals that came through in early 26 already. So they're able to self-fund these also. This is the thing. So yeah, they're going to be growing, and they need to scale their production capacity, and they can do that because they can stand these farms up so fast as far as the energy that they need to deploy. They can do that in such a short amount of time that they're able to self-finance and fund their own growth and development for production. So Bloom Energy, and they're 211 right now after market. Market just closed Monday, August